Are you a crocheter who wants to learn how to read crochet patterns? You're about to discover the secrets of how to read crochet patterns like a pro so that you can break away from only using videos with your crochet work. Hi, my name is Amanda Saladin from Love Life Yarn, and I'd like to invite you to my free workshop. It's called the Crochet Pattern Cure. In this free training, you'll discover the things that every crocheter needs to know, including how to identify well-written patterns, pattern anatomy, abbreviations, including how to understand the stitch guide and pattern stitches, punctuation and pattern repeats, and special instructions such as multiple sizes, certain sizes only, and how to use a schematic. So if you're serious about wanting to learn to read crochet patterns, so you're not just relying on those that have a video, then you need to join this free workshop. It's completely free. There are 5 days worth of training videos. So once you sign up, you'll receive a new video from me every day that walks you through one more aspect of pattern reading. So are we ready? Let's get started. Join below via the link and I'll see you inside.